guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the slickest ponytail ever on your natural hair. Okay, so keep watching. First thing I'm going to be doing is spritzing my hair with water. Your hair will just slick down better when you do it on damp hair. Okay, so make sure you spritz your hair with water. It will also make it way more manageable, and also make sure to do this on moisturized hair. So now I'm just going to section off the front part of my hair because we're going to be dealing with that later, and we're going to just handle this thick bush at the back. The first thing I'm going to do is start to section my hair into small to medium sections. Your hair will definitely stay flatter if you do it in sections, trust me. Don't even try to just rub the gel on top. There's no point, your hair will not stay down. So now I'm going to start doing my hair in sections. I'm using my Wetline Extreme Gel and I'm just going to be applying that to my hair. And as you can see, I'm doing like small to medium sections. I try not to make it like too small to a point where I'm there for like hours, but you know, I try to make it small enough to a point where my hair will stay flat. And then I'm just going to brush it down, and I'm going to use like a ponytail holder to just put it into a loose ponytail. Now you want to put it into a loose ponytail because you're going to constantly take this out and add the next section of hair and then the next section, and you shall get what I'm saying. You're going to keep adding more sections of hair. So I'm just going to continue doing this all over my hair. And I just want to say that this is definitely a long method. It's not like a simple method that takes just 10 to 20 minutes. You're going to put in a lot of arm work. Like, your arms are going to hurt, trust me, but the finished look will definitely be worth it. Okay, so just take your time and slick your hair down in sections. Now this is my final like ponytail at the back. I'm just going to put it into like a really secure ponytail, and don't mind the gel, it's going to dry completely. And you can see how like flat my hair looks. Like, this is why you should do your hair in sections. I'm moving on to the front bit now, and I'm pretty much just going to do the exact same thing. The only thing I do differently in the front is that I don't just put the gel on the roots, I also put them on the ends. And the reason I do this is because my hair is so much like shorter in front of my hair, and most of those like strands of hair are not going to make it to the ponytail, let's just be honest. So you really want the ends to like lay flat on your hair, and I feel like this rat tail comb just also helps to like brush the hair into the rest of your hair, so that just helps to like make it flatter as well. Anyway, I'm just going to continue this entire process like till I'm done with my entire head, and you guys are going to see like how sleek my hair is going to look. So as you can see, my hair is looking super duper sleek. I just put it in one final ponytail, and now I'm going to be taking this hair wax edge control, and I'm just going to use this as like the last barrier, you know, to just hold everything together. And you guys, look at my waves. Like, I'm going to use this hair wax strip now to tie down my hair, and this thing is like a game changer. This was my last one, that's why I didn't put more, but like if you have enough, just use it to tie your hair and it will just mold it in place. It's not going anywhere. And then I tied down my hair and I went to sleep. This is another thing that will like change your slick down game. The longer you let your hair dry, the more sleek it's going to look. As you can see, the next morning my hair was like super flat. Like, when I mean flat, like this is not one of those soft hairstyles where your hair feels all moisturized. Like, my hair was flat, as in like it was dry, it was down, it was not going anywhere. So I went ahead and just did my edges, nothing too serious today. And now the star of the show is my Betterlength ponytail, and this ponytail is 16 inches and I just love it. Like, you guys are going to see when I take it out of the pack, the texture just mimics like natural hair so well. It was a bit like squished from being in the pack, so I just spritzed it with a bit of water and I like combed it out to make it like more full, and it's just so gorgeous. I feel like it just took the look to like another level entirely. And I'm just going to be taking it now and putting like the 2 clips and using the drawstring to just attach the ponytail to my hair. And yeah, this is it, you guys. Like, your girl is slaying. Can you believe I transformed my hair from what it was looking like in the beginning to this like cute slick down style? So you can definitely do it too. You just need to follow all the tips that I gave you in this video. So this is what my hair was looking like. I really liked it, but I thought it looked a bit plain, so I took some gold bobby pins and I just used that to add like a little like to the front of my hair. And this is pretty much the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.